Who am I when the old choreography let go of me? What was the fear that was tucked away beneath the dance floor? Parts of me that was unseen wants to come to life and to fully express itself. And was I listening to my new music, the new rhythm, or am I still doing the old movements? And I walked the old path again, one last time, to remember all the identities, the costumes that I've worn, and which parts of me is still doing and staying in the same dance and rhythm because of the external applause and the love that I received. And what is my own style that suits me now? What excites you now? What brings you new life? And what if you are the stage and a new choreography is waiting to dance through you? Then how would you move if every movement is a joy again?